Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi. So we're gonna go through the market today on USDT, USD, quickly, Ethereum, and BTC because we do have the federal meeting today. We have the Fed press conference in 8 hours and 30 minutes from when I'm recording this, and in 8 hours Fed interest rate decision. Last time we did have this was on July 26th, and if we are going in here, the last release that we did have was a 5.5%. We, as they say here, as higher than expected figure should be a positive bullish for the USD, while lower than expected figure should be seen as negative bearish for USD. So, before we have the numbers, it is hard for us to tell what's going to happen, but what I'm going to show you are the potential levels the market can come to, because when we have these released, the market usually have the tendency to be extremely volatile, depending on, of course, the numbers that we do have. So I'll show you the levels that I see for them that we could potentially reach, whether it's to the upside or to the downside. Now, if you are looking for a platform to trade your cryptocurrencies on, you can see here, best in class crypto derivatives exchange. It is Bybit, and when you are using the link in the description down below my video, you will be able to have a 30K bonus. Of course, everything depends on how much you are depositing to the account. They have some copy trading for you guys in here. They also have the trading bot for you. Now, if you also want to trade both cryptocurrencies and Forex index, etc., then Prosperity FX is definitely the broker for you. They have a very tight spread, low spread, and this is what we all as traders are looking for. And you also have this broker in the link in the description down below the video. So you got multiple assets that you can trade here. As I said, you have both crypto, but this is for anyone that also want to include Forex indices, energies. And I've been using this platform for a very long time. If you have never used MetaTrader 4, which you need to trade when it comes to this, then I have a really great tutorial for you to be able to look at. So make sure to check that one out. If you have any questions about MetaTrader 4, make sure to ask me in the comment section below that video, and I will try to help you out as fast as I can. Now let's go in and see what's happening on the charts and what we potentially can expect when we have the Fed talking today. Okay? So when it comes to DXY, first of all, so this is USD. We can already see just following structure, and the fundamentals usually are following structure. It just takes you to these levels very, very quickly. So the overall trend that we see on DXY is now to the upside, but we are facing some resistance at 105.285. So if we continue to see the market dropping down from here, we have a previous zone down at 104.600. We can also see a potential drop down to 104. I'm not sure if this is going to be that volatile, but if we are going to my FX books, this is where I do look at the news announcements that we have. We have 3 folders that's gonna affect the market highly. We also have medium, so we can expect the market to be extremely volatile. But if this is pushing down DXY, this is also combined that we most likely need to have a drop down to these levels that I'm talking about. So if the dollar is going down, then you'll see the pairs going against the dollar will go up, and if this is going to be positive for the dollar, we'll see an increase to higher target, which means that everything that goes against the dollar will continue to drop down. So we're going to keep an eye on these levels when it comes to DXY. And if we see from nowhere that we have a lot of more bullish momentum, then we're looking at this previous support level at 105.873. When we are looking at USDT, we've been talking about this for a long time, but I have 7.75% as a overall target. If the market does break below this trend line, I'm also looking at this level down at 7.50%. When it comes to BTC, we also have broken above this previous resistance at 26,500. I wanted to show you on the 2 daily chart because you can see how it did break above this level before, and the next 2 daily we closed below this level at 26,500. If we see a lot of volatility, and we're gonna see these 2 daily this daily candle because it's gonna end in 2 days for this one, but if we're gonna see overall a break below 26,450, then we're most likely going to continue to drop, because then we have 2 fake outs from this previous resistance level. But if we are dropping down only to retest the resistance, we can still reach the levels between 27,600 and 28,530. So everything depends, of course, where they will push the market. But looking at TA, these are the potential levels that we can see getting tested for the next higher low to be created and reach and create the next higher high. And of course, if we don't see a continuation of the drop, then we will see bullish momentum, and we're still looking at these levels. But remember, when the announcements are released, when the numbers are released, I would suggest you to stay out of the market, because it's very volatile and it goes up and down a lot during those hours. When it comes to Ethereum, what we have right now, we saw a previous fake out from this support level, a demand zone that we did have. So if we see some more bearish momentum down, if we're just taking the fib level, we just might have a drop down to 1,600, 1,588. And this is the same thing as for BTC. We just might see a drop down to these levels for the next continuation to the upside. Now, if we are going to have a lot of bearish momentum and we're breaking below, we just might see the market continue with the lower highs. And this can be the break of structure that we have from the support level. But as I said, we have the numbers coming out today when it comes to the Feds, and the market is extremely volatile during these times. So once again, if you're not used to trading the fundamentals, please stay out of it and just let the market do whatever it's supposed to do, whether it's to the downside or to the upside. And usually it goes against the trend, and then it does continue to the trend it was supposed to follow. Also, make sure to go in on my YouTube channel and go to community and give me some answers on these polls that I do have for you, because I am a little bit interested on where you are on your journey and what trouble challenges that you are facing in your life. What is your main goal in trading? So make sure to go in and answer these ones for me. I can already see that I've had some people answering, and I don't believe in myself, have 0, and I'm happy with that, because you should always believe in yourself. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you know when I'm live next time and when I do have my daily updates. Until we see each other again, I wish everyone a fantastic day.